Firni is a delicious dessert. It's best to serve it chilled and it has all the goodness. It's made with milk and cornstarch and garnished with crunchy pistachios. This dish is often made for special occasions and during festivals. Also, it's a great treat for Nowruz. Nowruz is our new year. We celebrate the first day of spring. So I wish you all a very happy new year. So let's get started. Pour about 1 cup of milk into a small bowl and the rest into a medium saucepan. Whisk the cornstarch with the milk in the bowl until smooth and then add it to the milk in the saucepan. If you enjoy my content, please take a minute to subscribe and like my video. Whisk on medium heat, whisking constantly to avoid lumps and sticking to the bottom until it's gently bubbling and thick like cream of wheat. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and add the sugar and cardamom. You can add rose water if you wish, that's optional. Simmer for 6 minutes, take off the heat and pour into a dry serving bowl. Let it cool for about 30 minutes at room temperature. Then put in the fridge and chill until soft but firm about 1 hour. Sprinkle with pistachios and serve it nice and chill. I personally love to enjoy it warm. Afghan Firni is an authentic sweet dessert recipe for pudding with cardamom. The flavor of cardamom is dominating this creamy, yummy custard. So there we go. Here's a rich, creamy, delicious Firni or milk pudding. It's best for Nowruz or any other occasion. It's very simple to make and I hope you guys do try it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next one, bye-bye.